This is all things quick. So I'm back almost 1 year later and finally getting this car on the road and going. Got an engine for it. Picked that up last night. And that's here. This is a M54 B25. So I have a whole bunch of parts. I was gonna do it in the shop, but I'm actually gonna do it at my house now. In this episode, we're gonna throw a motor in this car. I gotta drag this piece of crap out of here and I'm gonna put a tow strap to it, drag it out, and then we got a trailer over there from U-Haul. So I don't know if the axles are seized or not the axles, the flipping brakes or whatever. If the brakes are seized on there, then this thing's just gonna be dragged out. I don't reckon that it's gonna roll, but we'll see how that goes. So this guy's gonna jump in and steer it and then get it over to the trailer somehow. I think we have room to do it. Now, how far does that go over here? But you'll probably have to hold, I don't know how good the brakes are, if whatever's working, you'll probably have to hold it once it's there though, good? I just want to see where it was hitting. I don't want to go through the trunk, you know? Yeah, no, I feel you. That didn't sound good. Wait a second, what am I doing? Let's go, boys!
How did that work out?
Alright, so she's on. Had to do all types of craziness to get that on there. Yeah, she's good. So I'm gonna strap her down, bring her to my house, go and do some stuff. I gotta grab a hoist before I go, an engine hoist, and then I have one problem here though. The problem is I can't find anybody that has this engine mount to sell. So it's on the other side here. It's the bushing portion there. So I'm gonna have to probably weld up a bracket. It might just go solid mount on this, but this is my issue with today and why I'm not doing this at the shop right now. So I'm gonna bring it home and then I'll catch up with you guys when we go there. Okay, so I'm back at my place and I got the trailer here. We're gonna unstrap, pull this thing down just enough that the back wheels are off. My other guy's here. Check out his YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description. I'm just gonna yank this trailer right out from underneath this piece of crap. Okay, wait, let's just all try to move a little bit and see if we can just even move it at all, because that will determine what's gonna happen next. So. Wait a second, I have an idea. Yeah, my idea's gonna work. Watch this. Where's the toe strap? Don't tell me you left it in London. This will work. This will actually work.
You know, the confidence is there, so
sure,
I'm gonna roll with it.
No, it will work. Watch. Oh, shocks. The trailer's gonna slide. That's what we need. Yeah. This is not what U-Haul signs you up for when you go to rent a trailer, you know? No.
just untangling.
Yeah, it just untangled.
Yeah, I was gonna tie a knot, but I thought I wouldn't get it. We're getting out, boys.
You're underneath that. Just rolled over the chocks.
It looked like it wanted to so bad, and then the trailer just moved.
Trying to take it off the trailer?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, but
well,
it's-
the wheels seized, so maybe we just need bigger chocks.
I think so.
You can't. You don't work for him, do you?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can tell. You followed him to paint. You look worse than him.
Because I don't show up very much.
Yeah, it's because I'm doing the work for him.
Yeah. Oh,
That's why
you
you know.
don't get dirty.
Get dirty because I'm doing stupid stuff like this.
Let's try that again. Yeah. Yeah. Woo!
Oh, you're on your chocks now.
That was working.
Is there more slack than that? Like, can I go more?
Yep. Tight. Hold on. It's popping off the top.
You got like 2 feet on there.
Bro,
Maybe more.
it's the right idea. Like, I think I just need to.
We just need like some brick.
No, I think now I need to. Here, back that up a bit. You got yeah, when you crank the ignition, grab it like this and reef it over because it's.
Nah, this
She's
is
right season.
yeah, this is.
Yep. This is so stupid. Man. It's amazing.
Kind of genius. Oh, hold on. The chuck.
That was close, eh?
No, that was more than close.
Did it hit it?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, well, hold up. Yeah, so that just happened. Way too hot there. Yeah, so about that. Anyways, that will buff out.
Just center just a little too hard. Oh yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Keep
Hop
going.
in there, hop in there. I'm gonna fucking send into my fence.
It's not gonna. As soon as it hits the ground, you should just hook up the trailer, and once the back tires are on the ground, just pull the front out.
Feed it.
So close, man.
And then they car, and then they see this thing.
Any of you guys want this? You can move it around to make a different shape.
Actually, my kid probably would.
Do you want it? And then you can put the little.
I don't know what this is gonna do. I don't know what this is gonna do.
Neither do I.
Yo, Jesse, hold on.
The back wheels that are seized. So I can just jack it up and then just roll it off. Maybe hold the jack then. I said maybe hold the jack or something. I don't know. It's rolling. Yeah, just stand back here. Is it going?
The trailer's rolling forward.
Oh my god.
How is this working?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Hang on. Bro, I need a thumbnail for this. Now I gotta watch my flipping self here.
So I was like, you want me to stand back there? That's a little less of a fall.
Down to the foot instead of 4.
Stand and watch.
Let's go! Wow.
drop that down.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, now I'm gonna have to push this thing with the van though.
I can't believe that worked.
That was amazing. That
That was smooth too, right? Like I was expecting to feel it a little bit more than that. Nice. Now we gotta get those out. You know what? It might be easier to just move back.
You probably just push it with that there.
You might be able to.
How far back do you want to go?
Okay, that's all you're gonna get. You know, team effort.
Or sideways and like top.
All right, well, we got it in here now finally. Car is here. This van did some good work today, and these boys did good work too. Let's go. So that's that. So I guess in the next episode, we're gonna toss this engine in, get this tire freed up because that's still seized up. Then we'll get everything together, put the transmission and the clutch together, and get this car running and alive again.
How did that
So
even
that's.
stay on? It was barely on.
So that's the end of this video. If you like that video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like, comment down below what you thought of this video, and don't forget to join our Discord server. Links in the description. We'll see you in the next one. See you later. So this is like way after the fact, but I just came to my mom's house and found this XI subframe from a different car, and this is exactly why I hoard parts. I'm telling you guys, there's a time and a place that I'm going to be using all this stuff. Like, look at here. I swear, there's a time and a place I'm going to be using it. I don't have an engine mount, or a bushing rather, for the mount, and this is an XI frame because it's a square. The rear wheel drive ones have like it's like an I-beam kind of thing. Now, I don't have to buy a new one. I have this one and I have this one. So I'm going to take this off. Got some tools with me here, see if I can wrench that off of there. Now that solves that problem, so I don't have to wait. I was gonna do solid mounts, but now I can just take this off and have at her. And I loaded up some other stuff. I got a radiator, an electric fan for the rad, and I got an extra hood because I don't know where the turbo placement's going yet. I'm gonna zip this off and problem solved. Let's go. Yeah, so no joke, this thing's been sitting for like a year, probably a little more, and this thing's coming off like butter. Look at that. No problems at all. Sweet.